Hey folks, today is May the 29th. It's currently about 7:45 in the afternoon. We're going to look at doing our Blue Edge Financial Titan G7 week number 10 update review. And in this video, we're going to check on the news for this week. We're also going to take a look at the Telegram channel to see if there were any updates. And we'll also take a look, obviously, at my VPS to see the results. And lastly, we'll check the Facebook group to see what other people what results other people got this week. Obviously, the original Titan EA has been shut down, so that one is no longer active. So I might look at taking this out just to kind of clean up the page a little bit here. But if we scroll down, we can see the Titan G7 EA sim account daily stats. And I know earlier in the week, we were actually down under $700 before the Titan G7 got us back up above $700. So as you guys can see here, profit 183, which is down from 245, and then it came back up to $229 in profit. So to start out, we were down a bit, but we were able to work our way back up, which is always a good thing. I'm still honestly not really happy with FX Blue, just the way they do things. So I might look at trying to switch this over to my FX Book and seeing if that's possible here. All right, let's check out the Telegram channel just to see what updates we had this week. All right, first day of the week was the 25th. All right, hey Edge traders, to end the end of week 9 Titan G7 recap video was just posted in the private Facebook group. All right, so this is just showing that they posted their weekly update review, and we will take a look at this, but we'll see what their updated results are for this week. All right, let's keep on scrolling down here. Just a heads up, for those of you using the original Titan, not G7, the Titan version 2.4 has just been expired. All right, I just mentioned that a moment ago. To continue using it, you'll need to update your software, and I definitely do not plan on continuing to use the original Titan. All right, see what else they have here. If you're wondering what is Titan and if you should be using it, please be aware that we have suggested that people stop using Titan for the time being, given the unusual and volatile COVID-19 market conditions currently and the fact that Titan was not trained for these conditions. Also, Titan G7 is a much more sustainable product. However, we are constantly optimizing and improving our software products. Okay. Have an awesome trading week, everyone. Blue Edge Financial Team. And this was on, what day was that? The 24th. All right, let's go ahead and jump over here before we go into the VPS. And as we can see here, it wasn't a heavy week when it comes to news. You can see here Monday, not a lot that would hinder us. Actually, Monday, I believe, was a U.S. bank holiday. But obviously, people outside of the U.S. still trade. This is the Forex market. And it looks like Tuesday here, a bit of news, but nothing that would hinder us. Same thing for Wednesday, Thursday, U.S. prelim GDP, and Friday, same thing. So not a lot that would hurt us. And I believe that day where we took, let me see here. What day was it we took that loss? It looks like it was 5/28/20. So that was yesterday, which was Thursday. So let's see what happened on Thursday. All right. So really just the U.S. prelim GDP. So it looks like it was just a tough day to be trading. Unfortunate, but you know, it is what it is. It sometimes happens like that. All right. Let's go ahead and jump into the VPS real quick. I want to take a look and see what our previous balance was. So as you guys can see here, our previous balance was $745. Equity was $729. All right, give me one moment. I'll jump into the VPS here. All right, so as you guys can see here, we definitely have several trades open going into the weekend. And it looks like $25.68 is what we have in the negative right now. And you can see our current balance is $728. So we did lose a little bit this week, and equity is $702. But like I said, we were down quite a bit more earlier in the week. Let me pull this up some. If it'll let me pull it up. All right. So first day of this week was the 25th. So it looks like we didn't take any trades whatsoever on Monday. All right, Tuesday, it looks like we took 5 trades here. Let's see here. Wednesday, we didn't really take a lot of trades this week. It's very interesting. All right, losing day on Wednesday. We can check out here. Thursday, actually Friday. Today's the 29th. All right, and as we can see, we took quite a few losses here. And our winning trades were obviously really small, as we can see right here. All right, so hopefully going into the next month, things will get back to normal. Hopefully once we get past this COVID-19 market, you know, the EA, the Titan G7 will start performing the way it does, or the way it was in the beginning when it first started testing it. So time will tell. We can also take a look here. You guys can see that they've actually removed the original Titan, so it's no longer even on the VPS. All right, and we come over here. You can see everything was still there. All the trades are still there. And it actually looks like it tried to make a comeback there. Originally, we were down quite a bit more, I believe, but it was able to get back up to $407.23. So it is what it is. All right, next, let's go ahead and jump into the Facebook group. Let me get this back down. Try to keep Titan G7 up. All right, give me one moment. All right. Also wanted to mention that I have not heard anything new about the new Titan G8 that's supposed to be coming out. Definitely interested in getting information on that, and I'll definitely share it with you guys once we get it. All right, I just refreshed the page, as you guys can see, just to make sure we're getting the most up-to-date information here. See the most recent posts. All right, this was a losing week, so I'm guessing we won't see as many updates as we do on winning weeks. All right, leave on over the weekend. I know I've seen it somewhere online or YouTube, but I can't find it. What's the discussion on leaving it running? All right, I just leave it alone. All right, let's keep on scrolling down. 2 hours ago. So today is exactly 1 month trading live with Titan G7. Funded my account with $700. Right now it's a 620 in balance and 610 in equity, so I'm around 11% down. I joined in hard times and hoping to see better results in the future. All right, using LQD. Thanks for sharing. You definitely joined during a losing month, which is expected. Glad you have the right expectations. And again, you guys saw that we did go through a rough period. So this individual kind of joined during that time frame when most of the EAs and managed accounts were having trouble. All right, so I'm honestly not surprised. The market has been ranging for 2+ weeks now, and the software hasn't really been able to compensate for that. The market is not going to continue to range forever. I predict another week or two, and then G7 will start to shine. All right, so that's definitely a bit of optimism there. We'll just have to be patient and continue watching, and hopefully they're correct. Started Wednesday of this week, showing my closed trades and my running open ones. Really curious to see how these play out. All right, let's see here. So these are the closed trades this individual has. $15 in profit. And lots of open trades here. Right now, more in the red, obviously, which is a similar situation to what I'm in right now. So we'll have to wait and see next week how these trades close out. All right, keep us updated. I'm curious on a small account how it goes. All right. Today, Titan G7 showed me what it's capable of. Hopefully, if it can continue this kind of performance into June as well. All right. I made 10 cents today. Is that what it's capable of? Does the size of the account matter? All right. Yes, sir. Up over 10% in the past 2 weeks. All right. So this person is doing extremely well. Up over 10% in the past 2 weeks. All right, short-term lurker here, but like you, I'm using the product. Started roughly a month ago. The thing that amazes me is the continued post here about how a $1,000 account doesn't translate to a Lambo in a week, a month, or heaven forbid, a day. All right, so he's basically just going over some information there. All right, hey guys, I just joined the Blue Edge Financial family. I'm very excited to try this out. My broker account just got approved. All right, so this is somebody new. Good stuff. The BSI with alerts in combo with my other alerts is making my entries deadly. Make it fit your trading style and crush it. All right. All right, I'm going to pause it right now, and I'm going to actually try to find the admin's videos and his MyFXBook account. So give me 1 second, and I'll see if I can find his from last week. They should be updated at this point. Give me one moment. All right, guys, I found Tyler Turner's post here from last week's update review that he did. But it will obviously be, it'll continue to show the results for this week. So we don't have to wait for him to post his video. We can go ahead and take a look at him now. All right, link to my live G7 account. And there are a few demo accounts here, but let's see what his live account did this week. All right, so this week he's actually down 0.15%. Today he made 4.08%. This month, minus 1.63%. So that's kind of where he's at right now. As you can see here, May 2020, overall down 1.63% to close out the month. All right, let's poke back over here real quick. Check out these demo accounts, see if anything else might have done better. All right, this was with 2% risk. This one was 5% risk. This one had auto trading off at one point, so it can't be compared to the other tests. All right, let's go ahead and see what the 2% risk looks like. All right, definitely didn't do well there. That closed the month out at minus 21.84%. All right, so this is 0.01 per thousand, minus 3.45%. May was definitely not the best month for Titan. All right, this is 0.01 per 500, down minus 7.52% for May, and 0.01 per 250 is down 23.52%. So that's just kind of where things are at. There was one other individual in here, I think it was Joseph Hicken, who had posted a MyFXBook link. Let's see if I can find it here. It wasn't up too far. All right, here it is. This is from, again, last week, but we can check his updates here. All right, Titan G7, 3.99% down. And of course, I'm not saying the overall gain. Overall, he's up 29.23%, but just for the month, he's down 3.99%. You can see here clearly March, 18.58% gain, April, 13.51%. So May, he just lost about 4% of his overall gain. Same thing here. Titan G7 up 21.2% overall. Again, over 10% for the past 2 months, and then 3.69% down this month. We also should note that we cannot expect every week or every month, and definitely not every day, to be a winning day when trading. All right, so overall 45.88% in this account. And for the month, only down 1.38%. And as you can see, the last 2 months, 25.56% and 17.81%. So definitely overall doing extremely well. And like I said, we cannot expect every month to be a winning month. What we need to focus on is the overall picture. And that's kind of what a lot of the people in here are doing. And again, I can't really see things here the way I want to just because of the way FX Blue is set up. So I will look at switching this over to my FX Book so we'll have a clearer picture of things. Anyway, that's everything I wanted to touch on. If you guys have any questions on Titan G7, make sure you send them my way. And to get more information, make sure you guys click the link below. And we will see June. Hopefully June will get us back into profit here. We'll see. All right, folks, have a great weekend. Take care.